Everyone, we're here for the It's Worth the Drive Go Local Carpool. We're at Wades Jewelers in downtown Southport. So we are going to go into Wades Jewelers and take a tour of the beautiful jewelry that they have. Hi!
And thank you for joining us on this beautiful, hopefully, early spring day. Come on in.
Thank you. Good morning, Cindy. How are you?
I'm good. Welcome to Wades.
Thank you.
We'll start here. Would love to show you a little bit of our selection. We do carry some Michelle watches and some previously loved Rolexes. If you look behind us, we have a wide variety of diamond jewelry.
Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Wades Jewelers here in downtown Southport. What's your address here at Wades Jewelers?
It is 701 North Howe Street, Unit A4.
701 North Howe Street, Unit
A4. Yes.
Okay.
And right here we have our Gabriel and Company engagement rings. Just some really gorgeous fashion earrings, and love this case.
Oh wow, good. Well, now we got the holiday coming up. I'm sure you guys are very busy for it.
We are. We also, our Michael Kors watches are actually on sale for Valentine's Day, so that would be a great gift.
So now, ladies out there, it's not just about the guys giving you something.
Exactly.
It's all about you reciprocating on that. So you need to consider some jewelry for the men too.
Definitely. And over here, Karen, we have a very large estate collection. And honestly, we just took in a huge estate last week that should be coming out next week with some really fabulous pieces.
Well, tell me about estate collections. I mean, what's the benefit of an estate?
Well, estate collections, usually you can get a little bit better price, but not just the price point. You can find really unique pieces that you just don't see anymore. Jewelry was made different throughout the years, and it really shows in the estate pieces. Okay. Now over here, just a little colored stuff, and then we have some sterling silver and pearls as well.
Ooh, this is a beautiful piece right here.
That is sapphire and diamonds.
Ooh, how pretty.
And I would like to take you on a tour of our shop back here, because Murray, our jeweler, is very talented and has been making and repairing jewelry for 30 years.
So you not only do custom pieces as well?
We do repairs, we do a little bit of everything, and if it can be done, Murray can do it.
Well, hello, Murray.
Hello, Karen. How are you?
Good. We're kind of invading your space this morning, and I understand you do custom design.
Yes, we do just about everything jewelry-wise here. Got the full shop. What we do is if someone comes in, they need repairs, whether it's worn out, been stepped on, run over, or if they're taking grandmother's old jewelry and want to turn it into something new or update it, then we can do that. And that usually starts out as a sketch. And then I can show you over here what we do, which is this right here is a CAD program. And like this is a ring I drew. And it gives you a real world example of what the stones are going to look like, what the ring looks like. And then we go from there and print it to a 3D model, which turns out to be a plastic version. Then we cast it. It's very complicated stuff, but it's a lot of fun. So anyway, we're able to make and draw anything, give you a real world view of it. And let's see, we can delete that and then move on to something else, like for example, close that out, like I know what I'm doing here, huh? Okay.
So jewelry just is something that it's just up to your imagination.
It really is. The one that's popping up next is a class ring, or it's a class ring style, but it's a family ring. It's a family crest ring.
Oh wow.
Let's see if I can get it into another version that's easier to see.
Ooh.
This now imagine this is huge. This is several layers, and we draw on different layers and different colors to show this one actually is a class ring. but they've got the family crest on it right here. And the detail that the computer allows is incredible. I mean, this is very small. That's, you know, the top of a ring, but then you can really scroll in and, you know, down to the most minute detail you're able to do, whereas in the past that just wasn't possible. But from there, then we cast it, like I'm working on this one right now, which is going to have straight baguettes, round diamonds, things like that. And it's just another ring. Here's another one we were able to cast in platinum, and the customer wanted to open it up in the middle and put this in the middle, so it's transforming this engagement band or wedding band into an engagement ring. So it's totally transforming the look of it, and they already had the diamonds, so it works out real nice.
That's beautiful.
And just a lot of detail work, a lot of fun.
You must have good eyes.
I've got a good microscope. So that's everything. If you can't see it, you can't do it.
That's true.
It's, I've been doing it for about 34 years, we were counting, and it's done a lot of work all over the country, and just thoroughly enjoy it. And that's what I do morning, noon, and night, and as a hobby and for fun. It's,
so you do design, repair?
Design, repair, everything. We've got this really cool machine over here I'll show you. This is a laser welder, and what this does, it's got just like in the movies, it's a laser. It shoots, it melts, it burns, it blows things up, but it's at a super microscopic size. Like, see this tiny little wire here?
Mm-hmm.
That is so tiny. I'll put the camera on, and you can see how big it makes everything look. And fingerprints, I mean, it is super tiny. And you can go in there and, let's see if I do a foot on a pedal here.
Kind of like at a doctor's office.
Very much so. Doctors have always looked at this and said, oh, this is exactly what I do. You know, brain surgery, and well, not like brain surgery, but it's just super tiny. I mean, that's
crazy.
Detail. I mean, you can't even see that. It's so small.
You sure can.
But it allows us to get into a ring and work on it and be extremely accurate. And with the camera, I can even show a customer what's going on with the ring. You know, I can show them that there's a
crack.
Exactly. So I can get that in focus. Yeah, I can show some defect in the ring or some flaw. This is not the best ring to demo, but anyway, it allows for a nice close-up view, whereas in the past, you just have to take someone's word for it and say, well, if you could see what I could see. But with the microscopes and the cameras, you know, it really makes a big difference.
That's wonderful. Well, we appreciate you letting us invade your space back here, and come see Murray, and he'll give you a custom piece that you will have forever.
Thank you.
And pass it along.
Thank you so much for coming to visit. Please stop by. We want to clean your jewelry. And I think what sets us apart is truly building a customer relationship that lasts.
That's wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
And Wades Jewelers is not just here in Southport. You have another location, do you not?
Yes, ma'am. We do. Our Gibsonville, I would say, the mothership, and we're the satellite.
That's wonderful. But it's a family-owned?
It's a family-owned business that's been in business since 1947.
1947. Well, we're glad you're in our community, and we hope everyone will come out to see you, not only for their Valentine's presents this year, but year-round for all their jewelry needs and watches and custom work and repair.
Absolutely. We're here to help. Anything you need.
Thank you.
Thank you.